Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about the story dropping of the papers and the Gleaner to be specific. Or at least the Gleaner may see it on. Russian by the name of Alexey Zaystev, sitting like so, who cares? Get charged with 4 counts of manslaughter in relation to a crash that took place on the Politricks main road December 2022 when pictures and the start go around. Gory looking scenes, 4 people end up dead. Papers say Zaystev's request was brought before the Home Circuit Court on Thursday with his attorney, Peter Champagne, not to be confused with the PIA attorney, Peter Bogdos. King's Counsel. You know, nothing makes a Jamaican happier than wearing the title, right, bestowed upon them by their former colonial rulers. King's Counsel. Peter Champagne argued for his passport to be returned and stated that he would arrive back in Jamaica on April 1st. That's symbolic. Back on April 1st, April Fool's Day, that is symbolic in itself. After hearing the request, Justice Pusey to go on the road. He may or may not come back because I'm sure the Russian knows say Ironman, he might David, and even though 4 people dead and whatever the case may be, nothing now come out of it. Even if something come out of it, probably a light up on the wrist. Right. So, depending upon how vested he is in Ironman, for example, or some kind of business where no one left behind or something like that, then he might come back. But in Ghana, Russia, you already know what his mercy whether they want to come back or not. I mean, silly all around, but if you're asking for my opinion on this, look, YouTuber, what do you think about this? Let me tell them a thing about this. Let me tell them a thing about Alexey Zaystev. Talk to him. Alexey, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are trying to use loopholes and technicalities and the part of ASO Statistics Article 5 number? Who do you think you are? You're not a DJ. Where are your tunes? The people are upset say Alexey Zaystev get for Gar Road and do all kind of. Where are your tunes, Alexey? The Jamaican people do not support anybody who kill nobody and get any kind of leeway unless them have 5 big tune. Where you tune them there? You're not an entertainer. Who do you think you are? Exploiting weaknesses in the justice system and the technicalities is a right that belongs only to the most popular people in Jamaica. Who do you think you are, Alexey? Who do you think you are, Winston? From around a CV. Who do you think you are? Richard? From around a Trillion. Who do you think you are? The Jamaican people are disgusted. Loopholes and technicalities and weakness in the system should only help the most popular people in the country. Where are your tunes, Alexey? Where are your tunes? How much hit song you have? Remember, if you're popular, then it's free you no matter what you do. But whatever means you want to bust it. If you're not popular, 100 years, who do you think you are, Alexey? 4 people's lives? The only way Alexey should get any break from the law, right, for 4 charges of manslaughter is if him did have at least 6 songs. Him not on a song. No leeway, no loophole, no technicality. The Jamaican people will not stand for this. The Jamaican people are hard, right, when it comes on to these matters. For people who know not true. Let me tell all of you foreigners something. You Russians and you Americans and you Chinese. Let me tell you something. You want to break the law. You want to rape. You want to push drugs. You want to commit murder. Make sure you have 5 songs first. 5 songs, the minimum. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Where you tune them there. That's the only time They support leeways and getting from this and getting leeways and breaks and leniency and that's the old time Jamaican support it. Who do you think you are, Alexey? Who do you think you are, Winston from Seaview? No name, no hype. Who do you think you are? Where you tune them there? That's my new stance, because the Jamaican people, them support, them love the fact that certain technicalities means even if you do something, you can get to because of the technicality. So that's my new stance. We have to give the people what they want. We have to give the people what they want. That's what the Jamaican people want. You want to rape. You want to push that coke. You want to kill multiple people. And get a break through the legal process. Whether it's local or abroad. At the Privy Council. Make sure you have 5 tune minimum. That's when we say free Jacure. That's when we say free Bojo. That's when we say free Real Sprat. But we will not say free Alexey Zaystev. We will not say Noel Maitland. Never have enough tune. How much tune him have? How much tune him have? Simone call him her husband. We will not say free him no matter what. And if he ever bust the case, the world have turned upside down. If he bust the case, whether appeal court or whether anywhere him go, the world have to turn upside down. We will not say free him. How much tune the youth have? Nah, none. The Jamaican people will not stand for this. Only celebrities are allowed to use the justice system and lawyers to get their way by any means necessary. Whether them do it or not don't matter. It's all about the legal process and whatever the courts and this and that say. Free. Only celebrities. Alexey Zaystev, where you tune them there. The Jamaican people will not stand for this. In case you haven't been aware, Jamaican people are the epitome of morals and values and standards. They set the global trend on what is just and fair. Right? Okay, you keep hearing about the fair trial. Remember, Jamaican people say any man get charged, any man even get accused of being a raper bull for dead jungle justice. That them say. Jamaicans say any man will get accused if a woman say, right, you violate her, jungle justice, instant. The same Jamaicans were saying free Jacure. Same people them who say them burn out coke and them burn out man sell coke and them burn out this and that. That's a free Bojo. And then come back, you got a Nelson Mandela-esque welcome back to Iron Man. Yeah, that's serious a Nelson Mandela bus case. Long walk to freedom. Long walk to stupidity. Every single one of the people out there who are kill people, push drug, rape woman, let me tell you something. If you want to do that, make sure say you show me 5 songs. You know? If you can't show me 5 songs, then you should get no break. No bail. No reduced sentence. Minimum 100 years. No matter if you do it or not. When things and business about who do or what. Welcome to Iron Man. This is the standard we're going to live by. 5 tune. No tune, no break. No technicality. No bail. Nothing. Minimum 100 years. 5 tune. The hell this Russian think he is? If his name was Tommy Lee, you would be celebrating the same can get for lift and go travel somewhere. Right? You be saying, see the dog on my road and the dog get built. You be celebrating. Freedom is a must. Must bust the case. But Tommy Lee have more than 5 tune. So that makes sense. But this don't make sense, Alexey. What the hell is that anyway? What does that even mean? What the hell is that Zaystev? Sounds zesty. Where you tune them there? Jamaican people are outraged. Only celebrities should benefit from the justice system being shaky. Only celebrities should bust case and technicalities and whatever. Only celebrities. The rest of them, where? Come go up. The same blogger them who la post free such man. I say lock up back one next man. Why? Because he's not popular. People are pathetic. Be consistent. For your boss case, A celebration. That's the thing there. Tomorrow look out for the video. Sunday look out for our next video. It's going to be a rough ride. I swear say. It's a DMX song. Agent Squad, pick up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.